Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you the recent updates that we have on our YouTube creator community on the Skool platform. Very important updates guys, we just updated the new algorithm arithmetics and now we're going to show you how you can actually take advantage of these new changes. As you can see over here, 6 hours ago we actually showed you how you can promote your YouTube videos without running ads. You can promote your YouTube videos for free. There is a special way in which you can leverage the social media and find a specific waves that are trending only for the day. There is a trend that always happens during the day, and this trend could actually boost your videos, boost your business. It works like an ad, but you don't actually pay for it. This is very, very important. We created a list over here of different platforms and where you can actually find them. There are always a couple of different groups that are boosted or promoted from the actual social media platforms. For example, Facebook will always show 2-3 posts from 2-3 groups in particular niche. For example, even if you didn't subscribe or follow a group about real estate, they're always gonna push you a little bit content from some of these groups. They're gonna push you a little bit content from, let's say, bars or restaurants in the area, even if you didn't follow these groups, didn't join the groups. Okay, so you want to make sure that you know exactly which groups you should follow. You want to make sure that you know exactly how you can end up on the news feed on Instagram at the same time without following the pages that are always popping up. Remember, the news feed on IG, it's not people you follow, it's the people that Instagram algorithm presumes that you might like. So this is why they're showing you this type of content. So every single day there's different flows of data, of information, of content that we know exactly which type of accounts are creating this content, and we know exactly when the social media admins will simply put this on the discovery page. So if you follow this, you're going to be one of the first people who will be able to see this type of content and to be able either to comment, to replicate the content, or at least to engage in some shape, form, or size. You can leave some smart comment, right? This is your free advertising. You can promote yourself without even publishing anything at this particular page or in this particular news feed. This is your goal. This is like in early days of YouTube, where a lot of YouTubers were trying to grow their YouTube channel by going and commenting under the videos of popular YouTubers, right? This is very, very similar. But because now the social media space is overcrowded, there's so many different pieces of content, so many different creators, it is hard for you to follow up. So this is why you need to step up your game. You need to come over here, you need to read all the important elements, follow the steps, and you're gonna get your results much faster than anyone else. I'm gonna leave the link from the community under this video, guys, if you wanna join, if you wanna learn how you can actually follow the flow of viral content and being able to take advantage of it. This is the only way to do it.